Hey Dad, Kory sent a message saying that you can't cook a steak in a non-conventional way, like without a grill or anything.
Today's cast of victims: Denver steaks, got them on sale. Hell yeah. Sweet yellow onion, green bell pepper, a jalapeno, some salt and pepper. I got something special for that egg, and some tomatoes. Alright, let's see what the temperature is. Looking about a 110, so that's pretty rare. Alright, so as promised, something special for the egg. Pie iron. Set it out here. Alright, so now we're going to just try to peel off some of this char. I got my garbage bowl over here. Just try to peel that skin off. It's fine. Do it to the... Ooh, the jalapeno blistered up real good. Because we don't want all that char in there. You know, shred this, get this onion. Tomatoes, pull the skin off. These fire roasted tomatoes. So we got everything sliced, peeled and sliced. There's our tomatoes. Got them kind of bare chopped. You know how I like to do that. Got a jalapeno. Got a green pepper. And then got our onion. The onion could have went a little bit longer with the torch, but hey, whatever. It's gonna make a lot of salsa, isn't it? Alright. Let's add some more tomatoes. Probably gonna be too much. Alright. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon, heaping tablespoon of garlic. Let's go with some fresh lime juice. Ready? Fresh lime juice. All right. And then I have some parsley, or not parsley, cilantro. Let's just pull some of this off. Throw some cilantro, fresh cilantro in there. And put the lid on. Alright guys, so here's our steaks. This is the first one. See? Looks pretty good. Got a little dark on the one side. But let's slice it up and see what she looks like. See, it's all pretty good. Now, let's throw our egg right here. Put our egg down. Lay our steak across. like so. We're going to take a little bit of our homemade salsa, fire roasted, and just drizzle it on top.
That looks good.
Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we're in the bear cave.
Hey, I'm Pete from Pete's Interest.
Hi.
And that's Bear Cub. Go ahead and try it out.
Alright.
You gotta get a piece of the egg.
The steak and the salsa pair really, really well together. And the egg is cooked just right to where everything complements each other. No?
Together, it's very flavorful. And very, very earthy. The salsa is very, very down to earth, so you taste like you're eating from like healthy.
I feel like you could use more lime juice though.
Yeah, it could use a lot of lime juice because you get a lot of tomatoes and like green peppers.
So I've had a little bit more lime juice and maybe some more, at least a little kick. That will complement the SPG really well on the steak. But all in all, it's a really, really good meal.
The steak itself is good.
Would you believe that that was all cooked with a torch?
No.
No. If we weren't there to see it happen and to help the action actually happen, and you told us that, we probably would look at you like you were insane.
Awesome.
Woo!
All right, that's Smoking Bears. That's our hashtag Steak Like a Boss collab. Go check everybody out.
All right.
Get out there, fire it up, try something completely crazy. And there's 2 rules in cooking.
Did you have fun and did it taste good? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Did it taste good? Yes. Try it out.
All right, everybody, that was our hashtag Steak Like a Boss. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope I lived up to the hashtag. Go check out these other channels that are doing some awesome out of the box cooks. We got Cooking with Kory. We got Gary over at GT's Barbecue. We got Chris over at Meatcranium. We got Rico over at Smokin'JazzBBQ. You got CJ over at CJ'que, or he's at Cooking with CJ. You got Kent over at Daddydutchbbq. You got Charlie over at Pickles BBQ. And you got my man Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard BBQ. Go check them out. Follow the hashtag and watch them cook a steak like a boss.